Welcome to ALOKIAS. Your preparation is our dedication. Welcome UPSC aspirants. Today, we unravel an important concept, constitutionalism. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in. First, let's distinguish between a constitution and constitutionalism. A constitution is a set of written rules and principles that governs a country. But constitutionalism is more than just having a constitution, it's about how that constitution works to limit power and ensure liberty. At its core, constitutionalism embodies four key principles. First, limitation of power, which means no authority is absolute and every entity has its limitation. Second, rule of law, everyone, including the government, is subject to the law, everyone is equal before the law. Third, protection of rights, safeguarding individual freedoms. Fourth, accountability, leaders are accountable to the people. But why is it important? Constitutionalism ensures that the government doesn't overstep its bounds. It prevents authoritarianism and upholds democracy, justice, and human dignity. The idea of constitutionalism is rooted in history. The Magna Carta of 1215 in England limited the king's power. The American Constitution of 1787 established checks and balances in governance. In India, constitutionalism is reflected in our constitution, which establishes a parliamentary democracy, guarantees fundamental rights, and upholds the rule of law. However, challenges like corruption, misuse of power, and erosion of democratic norms threaten constitutionalism. Vigilance and civic participation are crucial to safeguard it. In conclusion, constitutionalism is the soul of democracy. It reminds us that power must always serve the people, not the other way around. Understanding this concept is key to cracking UPSC and becoming responsible future administrators. Found this helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such engaging content.